Hey guys, it's me, Pikachu, and today we are gonna do an unboxing of the Nintendo Switch. As you can see here, it's a Nintendo Switch. Let's open it. That's a Nintendo Switch, alright. Look at it, we're gonna have so much fun with it. Look, and it even comes with Joy-Cons as well. Whoa, that is so cool.
Son!
Yeah?
Did you just take my Nintendo Switch?
No, you gave it to me.
Well, I didn't give it to you, but what I will give to you is a nice beating.
Oh no! Daddy, I'm sorry for stealing your Switch. Please don't do this to me.
No, I have to teach you a valuable lesson about stealing.
Oh no! I'm hurting, Daddy. I'm gonna tell Mom.
You're not gonna tell Mom anything.